Hi, everyone. Welcome to Stocks to Watch. I'm Ashley Berry, and today we're spotlighting EshallGo Inc., traded on the NASDAQ under the ticker EHGO. They are a dominant force in China's office supplies sector, and they've built a strong foundation through both sales and leasing, underpinned by proprietary tech and expanding global ambitions. Joining us is Johnny Wu, Director and President of EshallGo, to discuss the company's strategy, technology investments, and growth outlook. So without further ado, I'd like to welcome you to Stocks to Watch, Johnny.
Yes, thank you.
So let's talk about EshallGo. You're a leader in the Chinese markets when it comes to office supply sales and leasing. So what factors would you say have really helped the company reach this position of leadership in the Chinese market? Before we continue, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos.
I think there are three sectors, and the first of all is we have clear strategic positioning and unyielding value adherence. Since the establishment of the service brand EshallGo in 2015, the company has consistently aimed to become a first-class office integrator and a service provider, focusing on delivering highly competitive, comprehensive office solutions. EshallGo is committed to continuously creating value for its customers. And the second, we have solid market foundation. Starting from Shanghai, the region with the largest inventory of leased office equipment in China, EshallGo has rapidly accumulated customers' resources and market experience. Currently, the company has established more than 20 subsidiaries nationwide, forming an extensive service network with over 150 contracted service providers. Its professional service outlets cover 80% of the country, ensuring prompt and efficient service response. Serving more than 20,000 enterprise-level customers, EshallGo has built a stable customer base. And then we have strong service advantages. In the office equipment leasing sector, professional service is highly valued by the customer. By implementing its self-developed ERP system, EshallGo has established a deep trust relationship with clients, resulting in significantly higher customer stickiness compared to the traditional sales models. This is not only enhance customer loyalty, but also promotes repeat product sales and the service expansion, creating virtuous cycle.
Yeah, it certainly sounds like there is satisfaction here. Let's talk about the company's main revenue streams today and how much you would say each contribute to total revenue, and what segments do you really see driving growth in the next 2 to 3 years?
Currently, EshallGo has established a diversified revenue system centered around the full industry chain service of office equipment, with the coordinated development of various business segments. The company demonstrates strong market competitiveness. The specific revenue structure is as follows. There are 80% of the total revenue is from sales business. Serving as the company's core revenue pillar, this segment covers the sales of office equipment such as copier, consumables, and accessories. Through in-depth collaboration with the international brands like HP and Canon, as well as leading domestic enterprises such as NasdaqCM, EshallGo has continually optimizes its product portfolio and has established significant advantages in government procurement and corporate centralized procurement. There are 20% of total revenue is from leasing, technical services, comprehensive insurance, and maintenance. Although service-related business such as leasing currently account for a relatively small portion, with the enhancement of EshallGo's core services, the flexible leasing service model meets the high asset operation needs of enterprises. Though the integrated equipment plus service solution, customer stickiness continues to increase, and the scale of this service-oriented business is growing steadily. So looking ahead to the next 2 or 3 years, the company will achieve business breakthroughs and the revenue growth centered around the three strategic directions. And the first is the deepening and upgrading traditional business. Strategic partnership with HP and Photonetco will continue to unleash synergistic effects. Through customized products, joint marketing, and other means, we expect to drive 20 to 30% increase in revenue from the traditional sales business. Meanwhile, relying on the national service network and the digital management system, the leasing business aims to increase its proportion of total revenue to over 20%. And the second, we're living out a new business forms. In the future, we will make breakthroughs in multiple new business areas. We may also acquire top-tier technology teams to introduce new growth engines for the group in emerging business sectors. And then we have a global business expansion. Leveraging the successful experience of our Chinese operations, we have established a branch in North America and will accelerate our goal market layout, opening entirely new growth prospects.
It certainly sounds like a lot of exciting things in the pipeline here, and I'd like to kind of unpack a couple things that you talked about. You talked about these strategic relationships with HP and Canon, big names. So excellent news there. Also, you talked about procurement, management, service delivery. So let's talk about your investment in cloud-based platforms specifically and proprietary ERP systems. What would you say the strategic rationale behind that investment was, and how does it really enhance the operational efficiency or long-term competitiveness?
First of all, we will have deepening the local roots to solidify the market leadership, focus on service equality and customer experience in Chinese market. EshallGo continuously enhances the service awareness and the technical skills of its professional teams through process-driven digital management tools, ensuring service professional and efficiency. Relying on self-developed ERP and digital tools, the company consolidates its leading position in China. And then we have global expansion to drive international growth. So launching from it's a North America subsidiary, EshallGo will first tap into the North American market for universal printer copier consumables. Based in office services, it replicates mature domestic operation models and a successful experience for global enterprise clients. The business will expand from traditional printer copier consumables to technical-driven new formats, leveraging innovative technologies to deliver intelligence office experience and seize first-mover advantage in international markets.
Fantastic. And I would have to imagine that AI is definitely a component there as well. You're talking about, technical driven new opportunities here. Three short points. Let's talk about why investors should consider EshallGo as a compelling investment opportunity right now.
And first of all, we will, just like what I mentioned just now, we will have the significant brand endorsement and the resource integration advantages. As the first Chinese enterprise in the office service sector listed on NASDAQ, EshallGo has established the brand credibility recognized by the international capital markets. Recent strategic partnership with global office equipment giant like HP and the domestic office equipment leader like Photonetco for simultaneously enhance the brand value and market share. And the second point is that we will expand our business through cooperation with the top tier team, and also maybe with the acquisition merger with the other company to form a new sector of the business like AI period, AI sectors, and then we will have another plan to do something related to the RWA, like the business like that.
Terrific. And Johnny, I'll just ask you, as director and president of EshallGo, what inspires you most about the company? What excites you most about, what's coming in the future for your company?
I think the most exciting point maybe will happen within next several weeks. We will bring the new business, which is much popular for the for the market right now, and it will enhance the our customers or clients' efficiency, and we can reduce the marginal costs.
Well, listen, there is certainly a great need for office supplies globally. So thank you so much for sharing your insights. Johnny Wu, again, Director and President of EshallGo. For more on the company, as I mentioned, they're listed on NASDAQ as EHGO. I'm Ashley Berry. Thanks for watching Stocks to Watch.